Hello students, this is Adarsh and now let's study about the next chapter of your chemistry, that is acids, bases and salts. Now what do you mean by acids, or what are acids? Now acids are those substances which are sour in taste, that produces burning sensation on touching, and which turns blue litmus paper to red. Few examples are citric acid, oxalic acid, hydrochloric acid, and etc. Curd, lemon juice, orange juice, and vinegar taste sour. Now, these substances taste sour because they contain acids. The chemical nature of such substances is acidic, and the word comes from a Latin word that means sour. Now, this thing you should know, that there are two kinds of acid, that is organic acids and inorganic acids. Now, those acids that are found in plants and animals are called as organic acid, and they are not as strong as inorganic acids, whereas inorganic acids are strong and they are dangerous. Examples are hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. Now, here are some examples of organic acids. For example, citric acid, that is found in orange, formic acid, that is found in ant sting, acetic acid, that is found in vinegar. Now here are some names of acid and where they are found. For example, acetic acid is found in vinegar, formic acid is found in ant sting, citric acid is found in fruits such as oranges and lemons, lactic acid is found in curd, oxalic acid is found in spinach, ascorbic acid is found in amla or citrus fruits, and tartaric acid is found in grapes, unripe mangoes, and etc. Now, the next topic is bases. Now, what do you mean by bases? They are those substances that are bitter in taste and are soapy to touch, and which turns red litmus paper to blue. Now, examples are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, and etc. Now, the nature of such substances is said to be basic. Now, bases we eat. Here are some pictures that you can see. Now, here are some names of bases and where they are found. For example, calcium hydroxide is found in lime water, ammonium hydroxide is found in window cleaner, sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide can be found in soap, and magnesium hydroxide is found in milk of magnesia. Now, what do you mean by indicators? Now, they are special substances which are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic, or whether a substance is acid or base. Now, the indicators change color when added to a solution containing a acidic or a basic substance. Some of the naturally occurring indicators are turmeric, litmus, China rose petals, and etc. So here is the picture of litmus paper. Basically, there are two kinds of litmus paper, that is red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. Now, red litmus paper turns blue when it is dipped in a base, and blue litmus paper turns red when it is dipped in a acid. Now, the next topic is neutralization reaction. Now, the reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization reaction, and salt and water are produced in this process. with the evolution of heat. Now, in neutralization reaction, heat is always produced or evolved. In neutralization reaction, a new substance is formed, and this is called as salt, and salt may be of three types, that is acidic, basic or neutral in nature. Now, what do you mean by acidic salt? When strong acid reacts with a weak base, then it gives rise to acidic salt. And when a strong base reacts with a weak acid, then it gives rise to basic salt. And when a strong acid reacts with a strong base, then it gives rise to neutral salt. Now let's learn something about the properties of acid. Now, acids have sour taste, for example, unripe citrus fruit or lemon juice, and they turn blue litmus paper red. They are corrosive in concentrated form, and their aqueous solution conduct electricity. Now here are again names of some acids, and basically they are inorganic acids. For example, hydrochloric acid, and the formula is HCl. Second is sulfuric acid, and the formula is H2SO4. Then there is phosphoric acid, the formula is H2PO4. And the last is nitric acid, and the formula is HNO3. Now let's see some of the uses of acids. Now sulfuric acid is used to manufacture fertilizers, ammonium sulfate, explosives, paint, drugs, and etc. Nitric acid is used in manufacturing of fertilizers, explosive, paints, and drugs, etc. Hydrochloric acid is used for cleaning metals, tanning, and in printing press. Benzoic acid is used as preservative or used for food preservation, and acetic acid is used for flavoring food or food flavoring. Now let's see some of the uses of base. Now sodium hydroxide is used for manufacturing soap. Calcium hydroxide is used for manufacturing of bleaching powder, softening of hard water, and neutralization. Potassium hydroxide is used in alkaline batteries. Magnesium hydroxide is used as a base to neutralize acidity in stomach. They are called as antacids. Ammonium hydroxide is used as a foaming agent in fire extinguishers. And ammonium hydroxide is used to remove grease stains from clothes. Now here are some examples of bases. The first one is sodium hydroxide, the formula is NaOH. Second is potassium hydroxide, and the formula is KOH. Next is calcium hydroxide, and the formula is CaOH2. And the last one is aluminum hydroxide, and the formula is AlOH3. Now let's see some of the uses of salts. Now sodium chloride, that is NaCl, is commonly used as table salt and for cooking purposes. It is also used for de-icing roads in winter. Sodium carbonate is used for the manufacture of glass, detergents, pulps and paper, etc. Now sodium carbonate, also known as washing soda, is used as cleaning agent for domestic and commercial purposes, for softening of water, and in manufacture of chemicals. Sodium sulfate is used for manufacture of glass, paper and detergents. Sodium silicate is used for manufacturing of detergents, cleaning agents and adhesives, and sodium chlorate is used for manufacturing of explosives, plastics and other chemicals. Calcium chloride is used for de-icing roads in winter as a drying agent and as freezing agent. And potassium nitrate is used for fertilizer or used as fertilizer for the manufacture of flying glass. So, thank you for watching.